So, good morning children. Now, we will do the revision for the second lesson year to year. Now, I am showing you some animals. Now, this is elephant. Observe carefully where are the ears. The ears are on top of the head. And what is the shape of the ears? It is having very big ears. Elephant is having big ears. They are in the shape of a big leaf. They are in the shape of big leaf. Okay, this is elephant, and elephant has ears on top of its head. Now let us see one more animal. This is giraffe. Where are the ears of this giraffe? The ears of giraffe also are on the top of the head. You can see the ears of the giraffe also are on the top of the head. Now I will show you another animal, which is a lion. This is a lion. The ears of the lion are also on the top of the head. They are also on the top of the head. So, ears of the elephant, ears of the lion, ears of the giraffe, all are on the top of the head. If you take the panda, panda also ears are almost on the top of the head. Okay, all these animals, they are having ears on top of the head. Now I will show you one monkey, bear. Bear is also having the ears on top of the head. Now I have shown elephant, ears on the top of the head, lion, ears on the top of the head, panda, ears on the top of the head, giraffe, ears on the top of the head. One monkey also has ears on the top of the head. Now I will show you some other animals. This is a parrot. Can you see the ears of the parrot? All these animals, you can see the ears. But if you see the parrot, can you see the ears of the parrot? No, you cannot see. You see, now I will show you another animal, which is a duck. Can you see the ears of the duck? No, you cannot see the ears of the duck. Now one more animal I will show you, that is a snake. Can you see the ears of the snake? No, you cannot see the ears of the snake. These animals, you can see the ears, whereas these animals, you cannot see the ears. That doesn't mean that they don't have ears. These animals also have ears, but in the place of ears, these birds will have small holes. Through the holes only they can hear the sounds. The holes are covered with feathers. In these animals, the holes are covered with feathers. So, these animals, you can see the ears. These animals, you cannot see the ears. Now, let us see which animals will lay the eggs. Which animals will give birth to young ones. If I take first giraffe. What about giraffe? Giraffe will give birth to young ones. Now, if you take panda. Panda also gives birth to young ones. Next, if you take lion. Lion also gives birth to young ones. Next, if you take elephant. Elephant also gives birth to young ones. Next, if you take monkey. Monkey also gives birth to young ones. Whereas, if you take parrot. Parrot does not give birth to young ones. It lays eggs. If you take duck. Duck also does not give birth to young ones. It lays eggs. If you take snake. Snake also does not give birth to young ones. It lays eggs. Now if you see the difference, the animals whose ears we can see, they give birth to young ones. And the animals whose ears we cannot see, they lay eggs. Can you find the difference? These are all the animals which give birth to young ones. These are all the animals which lay eggs. So all the animals which lay eggs, we cannot see the ears. Whereas the animals which give birth to young ones, we can see the ears. There is one more difference. Is there hair on this elephant's body? Yes, there is hair. There will be hair on the body of the elephant. If you see monkey, lion, on the lion's body also you can see the hair. If you take panda, you can see hair even on panda's body. If you take giraffe, on giraffe's body also you can see the hair. And if you take monkey, on monkey's body also you can see the hair. Whereas if you see these animals, on parrot you cannot see the hair. The body is covered with feathers. If you take a duck, on the duck also you cannot see the hair. The body is covered with feathers. If you take snake, for the snake also you cannot see any hair on the snake, body of the snake. It is covered with scales. The body of the snake is covered with the scales. So can you tell me, if you see some other animals which are around us, which are having ears, whose ears you can see? Like for example, around us you have a dog, you have a cat, you have a buffalo, you have a cow. All these animals also, they have, you can see their ears, and their body is also covered with hair, and they also give birth to young ones. And if you see such animals, can you tell some more animals like this? Yes, it is crow, pigeon, parrot and lizard, crocodile. All these animals also you cannot see the ears, and their body is not covered with the hair. Their body is covered with either feathers or with the scales, and these give birth to young ones. So these are the main differences between these lay eggs. They don't give birth to young ones, they lay eggs. These are the differences between these animals and these animals. Let us again conclude, that is the animals which have whose ears you can see. They have hair on their body and they give birth to young ones, and they feed their young ones with the milk. That is also there. And if you see these animals whose ears you cannot see, their body is not covered with hair, their body is covered with either feathers or with the scales. For example, parrot, pigeon, crocodile, snake, lizard, all these things, they have either feathers on their body or they are covered with scales. These animals' ears we cannot see. In place of ears, there will be small holes through which they can hear, and they don't give birth to young ones, they lay eggs. This is the difference between these animals and these animals. Is it very clear, children? So, let us see the animals whose ears, let us tell me 4 animals whose ears you can see. Which you see around? Dog, cat, mouse, rabbit. Very good. Now whose ears you cannot see? That is lizard, parrot, crow, pigeon, frog, all these things. Elephant's ears are bigger than ours. And even if you see buffalo's ears are also bigger than ours. And rabbit, if you see rabbit has ears on the top of the head. It has ears on the top of the head. Okay, and these ears also are bigger than ours. Even dog's ears are also bigger than ours. And there are some animals whose ears are smaller than us also. Okay, and then the animals which are having ears on the top of the head are rabbit, okay, donkey, mouse. All these animals are having ears on the top of their head. Where do we have our ears? We have ears on both sides of our head. 2 ears we have on both sides of our head. Like that, even buffalo has ears on both sides of its head. And Tell me the animals who have hair on their body. Any four animals you mentioned. Cat, dog, lion, elephant. You mute yourself. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Now have feathers on the skin. Animals with feathers on the skin. Sparrow, pigeon, crow, parrot, all these things. And the animals which have scales on their skin. Scales on their skin. Crocodile, snake, lizard, all these, garden lizard, all these have scales on their skin. And animals which give birth to young ones, those are dog, cat. What about us? Do we humans also give birth to young ones? Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Anvita, mute yourself. Yes. Now we will do some, I will ask you some fill in the blanks also. Animals with ears like fans, elephant. The animal with ears like fan is elephant. An animal with ears like leaves is deer and giraffe. And what is our national animal? Tiger. Very good. What is the biggest land animal? Biggest land animal is elephant. Biggest land animal is elephant. Biggest bird. What is the biggest bird? Very good. Ostrich. Biggest bird is ostrich. What is the smallest bird? Smallest bird. Hummingbird. Hummingbird is the smallest bird. Ostrich is the biggest bird.